Welcome to Not Boring English. Today, I will tell a story called My Family at Home for level A1, A2. If the voice or text is too fast, you can slow the video with playback speed settings. A small Saturday, a big smile. I wake up to the sound of rain on the roof. I open my window a little. The air is cool and clean. I can smell coffee from the kitchen. My little brother calls, "Auntie, come quick." I smile and put on my slippers. I live with my family in a small house near the park. My mother cooks and cleans. My father works at home with his laptop. My little brother is 8 years old. He likes to play with toy cars and draw pictures. The house is noisy but warm. I like this noise. It makes me feel safe. On Saturdays, we all stay at home. We do different things. My mother makes pancakes. My father reads the newspaper. My brother watches cartoons. I like this day. I have time to help and time to rest. This Saturday starts with a surprise. My brother cries in the kitchen. He holds a broken cup. The cup is small and blue. It was his favorite cup. He loves the cup because it has a tiny car picture. He says, "It was my cup." He looks at the floor. Water is on the table. I sit down next to him. I put my arm around his shoulder. I say, "It is okay. We can fix it." My mother looks sad but calm. She cleans the table. My father turns off his laptop and comes to the kitchen. He says, "We can buy a new cup." My brother shakes his head. He says, "No, I like this one." It was from Grandma. I listen. I want to help. I pick up the pieces carefully. The pieces are small. I put them on a towel. I count them. There are 8 pieces. My brother watches me. He asks, "Can you fix it? I have a glue kit in the drawer." I tell him, "We can try." We clean the pieces. We dry them. My mother brings the glue and a small brush. My father helps hold the pieces. I paint glue on the edges. My brother holds a piece with 2 fingers. He is careful. We put 2 pieces together. We wait for a minute. The glue is sticky. The cup looks whole again, but with a crack. My brother smiles. I feel happy. After the cup is repaired, my brother wants to play outside. The rain stops. The sky is blue. We go to the small park near our house. The grass is wet. We wear shoes. My brother runs. He chases his toy car like it is alive. I walk slowly. I watch him. I think about my family. At the park, I meet our neighbor. Her name is Anna. She has 2 kids. She says, "Your family is nice." I say, "Thank you." Anna talks about a big problem. Her washing machine broke. She needs to wash clothes. I feel I can help. I tell my brother to be careful. He picks up his car and runs back home. At home, my mother packs a bag of clothes for Anna. My father gets a toolbox. He likes to fix things. He goes next door to help. I take our clean towels and some soap. I walk with my mother to Anna's house. Anna smiles and says, "Thank you. You are so kind." I feel a warm feeling in my chest. Helping feels good. Back at home, we make a simple lunch. We eat rice, beans, and a fried egg. My brother talks about his cartoon. He shows us his drawing of a blue car. My mother hangs the repaired cup on a shelf. She says, "This cup has a story." I sit at the table and think about stories. Every object in our house has a small story. The cup makes us remember Grandma. The old radio plays a song from the past. These small things make home. After lunch, my brother looks sad again. He asks, "Can I invite my friend?" I look at my mother. She nods. I call my friend's mother to say it is okay. The friend comes with a box of crayons. They color together on the floor. The crayons roll around like small wheels. The house is full of color and noise. In the afternoon, my father teaches my brother a small lesson. He shows him how to fix a toy car wheel. He uses a small screwdriver and a tiny nail. My brother listens. He learns to use his hands with care. I watch and feel proud. My father smiles at me. He says, "Family helps each other." I agree. Later, my mother has another idea. She says, "Let us have a small family game tonight." My brother jumps with joy. We decide on a simple game. We make a question box. Each person writes 3 small questions about their day. We put the notes in a jar. We sit around the coffee table. The lamp is warm and soft. We play and laugh. My brother asks, "Who fixed the cup?" My father points at me. I feel a little shy. My mother claps and says, "Good job." At the end of the game, we tell our feelings. My brother says he felt sad when the cup broke. He says he felt happy when we fixed it. My mother says she felt calm when we talked. My father says he felt proud when my brother learned to fix the toy. I say, "I felt happy to help and to be with you." We all hold hands. The room is warm. The rain starts again outside. The sound is gentle. That night I wash the dishes. I look at the repaired cup on the shelf. The crack is visible, but it shines. The cup is not perfect, but it is whole. I think of our day. We had small problems. We had small joys. We helped one another. We shared food, time, and laughter. I feel content. Before bed, I write a small note for my brother. I put it under his pillow. It says, "I am proud of you." He will find it in the morning. I turn off the light and listen to the rain. I feel safe. I feel that home is more than a house. Home is the people and their care. A small act can make a big smile. I fall asleep with a quiet heart. I know the next day we will have new small things to do. We will wash, cook, and laugh. We will break more cups, maybe, but we will fix them. We will talk. We will stay together. This is the life in my family at home. The moral is simple. Small kindnesses keep a family strong. Comprehension. Questions now. I will ask a few questions about the story to check your understanding. 1. Who lives in the house with the narrator? 2. What broke in the kitchen, and how did the family fix it? 3. What did the family do together in the evening? Write your answers in the comments to practice writing in English. Thank you for watching and listening to this story. What small thing does your family do at home? Please write your answer in the comments and subscribe for more simple stories on Not Boring English.